What's going on, my good people? What I'm about to do is patch my radiator. It sprung a leak along the plastic side, and I'm about to show you how I patch it up using JB Weld. And I swear by JB Weld. A lot of people don't uh, recommend doing patch jobs, but I've had outstanding results from this JB Weld. Because when it hardens, it be strong as steel. Stronger than the plastic itself. Or metal. I wouldn't say metal, but I use it on metal, aluminum, tin, anything really. What I do is I clean the area using an astringent, such as brake parts cleaner. You don't have to use two different kinds. I just had them around. You can use acetone, alcohol, dish soap, purple power. Like I said, anything that gets rid of dirt, grime, and grease. Clean the work area. You have to roughen the area. I'm using 100 grit sandpaper. Oh, and this is not the crack that's giving me the issue. It's on the flip side. I'm doing this side because it seems like I have a bunch of small cracks developing. So on those, I'm using the steel stick. All right, with the stick, you have to knead it together. It's 2 parts, hardener, steel. Do this fast. It's like 12 o'clock at night. I had the leak since yesterday. I put in some radiator stop leak for an emergency because I had to go pick up a Kia for $300 from a small town in Texas. And there is no way I'm passing up on a $300 car that runs. If it can get out. There we go. Like I said, it's 2 parts. Steel and the hardener. Not using much. Just pinch off the amount that you want to use. Then you knead it together until it's uniform in color, such as charcoal. This is the fun part. Leaking, not so much. This is my personal truck. My workhorse. Yeah, you just knead. So it's really simple for the most part. Yeah, I said that's uniform in color. You don't see the cracks on camera. Just smash it down like so until you get the coverage that you want. but not necessarily what you want, but what you need. This is real simple and inexpensive. The steel stick costs about $4 at Walmart. And the JB Weld costs about $5 maybe. No, $5 and $6. Steel stick, $5. JB Weld. 2 parts hardener. 2-part epoxy. It's worth $6. Steel stick takes about 5 minutes to harden, an hour to cure, if I'm not mistaken. 3 to 5 and 65 to cure. 60 to cure, 60 minutes, which is an hour though. Like I said, the initial crack, the crack that's giving me the problem is not this side, it's the flip side. Just doing preventive patches on this side, so I won't have to snatch it out and do it again. Now, this is the problem right here. Focus. This is the crack. It's bold in this area right here. Like it was escaping, like it was under immense amounts of pressure. Yeah, you can see it. You see that? Free it of all dirt, grime, grease. Crack goes from here to here. Like it started to bow up here. Yeah, that's pretty long. Still strong though. Alright, now we have to roughen the area again. And for best results, you want to go at least a couple centimeters in all directions in both sides for a better repair. So you want to expand the repair area. And being that it's bowed out, it's like an arch right here. I'm going to JB Weld all this. Now, of course, you know, if you have the money to spend, you get you a new radiator or get your existing radiator repaired. Me, of course I can buy a radiator, but I'm all about saving a buck. Like I tell everybody else, I don't make money by giving it away. Okay, after you have cleaned, roughened the area, cleaned again, you want to mix your steel and hardener. Equal parts. Just eyeball it, unless you want to be tedious about it and get you a scale and measure out exact amounts. But it's pretty straightforward and simple. After you get your desired amount, you mix them together until you get a uniform color, same as the stick. I'm using the back of the package that it came in and paint stick mixer deal. You can use whatever you want, whatever you find. Improvise. Like I said, you mix until it's uniform in color. Both get hot though. I don't know what's the reaction behind that. I wasn't a chemistry major, so and I don't think they teach you about epoxy anyway. But anyway, I think we mixed. Then you put it over the crack. To expand the repair area. Don't have to be perfect. It won't be pretty. So don't be a pansy boy or girl. Yeah, see, this one right here takes a while to cure, like 24 hours. Well, that's pretty much it, man. You can quit the video and get to work. Hope this video helped you out, save you a couple dollars. That's all to it. We are technically done. Let this dry for a while, like 24 hours. Appreciate you checking out the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, do so. It'll really help me out. Comment, like, share. We all help each other. Peace out.